Smart test templates from Symflower provide all the boilerplate code for your unit tests, including the initialization of variables. As an example, let's look at this triangle class. Let's say we want to test this function getType. Normally we have to write the whole test manually or copy an existing one and adapt it. But with Symflower we can generate a smart test template. All we have to do is right-click and hit Symflower Add Test for function. A new file will be created. You can see here that the template already has the right variables initialized. All you need to do is to name the test case and replace the to-dos with your values. If you need another test, you can simply repeat the process. Note that the new template is now added to the existing test file. You can also set up a custom shortcut for smart test templates in the settings of your IDE.